Many projects call for holes to be punched in applications, and Sailrite offers a variety of tools to use. One of those tools is our professional rotary hole punch. Our Sailrite professional rotary hole punch allows you to rotate between 6 different punch sizes with just one tool. This tool can punch holes in leather, fabric, webbing, vinyl, cardboard, and other materials, which makes it very versatile for different projects. When using this tool, especially for leather, you'll want to rotate the tool to ensure the cleanest cut around the perimeter. This professional grade, high-performance rotary punch creates precise, clean holes every time. A unique feature of this tool is its patent-pending ergonomic design that reduces hand fatigue for large projects. This feature will give you professional results with minimal effort. When using our professional rotary hole punch in comparison to others, you can clearly see the quality difference, as well as the lack of mechanical leverage in others on the market. Another unique feature of our hole punch is its longevity. The 6 rotating tube sizes, as well as the copper anvil, are all replaceable and can be found on our website. Replacing these parts as needed will extend the life of your tool. And to make it easy to get yours, we've linked it down in the description below. And make sure to like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date on all of Sailrite's exclusive products.